I'm thinking of making a career change, you
Yep.
know, into sort of the medical field and going away from the consumer electronics field, which I've been in.
Yep.
And if I go to like a job fair and try, how do I sort of assess, you know, and try to present it, I guess, and, you know, and also just meeting somebody. Even if it wasn't a job fair, just going up to somebody and saying, you know, oh, it's just home theater that I do, you know, and how do I create that, I guess, is you assessing that situation, and how do I create that little story to sort of lead into my elevator pitch, or as
Yeah, but I think the story, I mean, the story for what you want to do is if you want to get into, do you want to get into software or programming? Is that the kind of thing you're looking to do?
I'm looking to make a change and get into the medical, and I've taken 2 IT classes. One is a basic A+ class, and the other is going to be for healthcare IT, so that I could work on, you know, in hospitals or doctors' offices or things with their computer systems related to the healthcare industry.
So I want to work with. So I'm looking for an opportunity to work with computers in the doctor's office or in a hospital.
Right, exactly.
That's what you'd say. I mean, I won't won't make you get on the call with me some other. I mean, that's the kind of thing that you say. You know, because you use the, you know, how's it going? Oh, great. You know, I'm taking these pretty cool computer courses. Oh, really? What are you taking? Well, you know, I'm looking for an opportunity to kind of do computer work in a doctor's office or in a hospital, and so I'm taking classes to kind of help me with IT, you know, medical IT kind of stuff.
I see.
That's how. That's how.
Right. Instead of answering their questions, well, what do you do, or you sort of changed it. Redirected that question a little bit?
Well, I've made it a little more conversational. That's really all I've done. I mean, the problem people have, the reason the elevator pitch has a bad reputation is that people aren't tailoring it to what they say. What I'm suggesting is, you know, you run into someone, you don't always know that the person in front of you is the right person to be talking to. So I mean, that's the point of my cold call sales story. You just don't know.
Right.
So anyone you run into, it's the same thing. Even if you're standing next to someone in an elevator, you know, you just kind of look at each other, hey, how's it going? And you know, a conversation may start and it may not, but if it does start, you know, it eventually gets around to what do you do, and you can say something like, well, you know, I help people in their home theaters right now, and I'm actually looking to do something else. Oh, what else are you looking to do? And then you can go into it from that point of view.
Gotcha. I get you.
So,
okay.
And so it does depend. I mean, if you're at a job fair, then you wouldn't talk about what you're doing now. You'd always talk about, you know, what you want to be doing. And I'm looking for an opportunity to work on computers in a doctor's office or in a hospital. I think that's pretty clear. I think that's a great way of phrasing what you're looking for.
Gotcha. Okay.